So in this video, I am going to talk about data analytics and how with a data set, we can actually clean the entire dirty data and we can have a decision making and we can do some predictions, right? So let's go ahead. I hope you can see. So now you can see here we have ChatGPT. I'm not going to any analytic mode or any mode. I am there in the normal chat mode only. I have taken the new chat. I am going to click add file, add photos or file. I'll get the options. I'll just go to data set. Here my data set is there. Diwali sales data. It's there in the CSV file. I have shown you in the first video as well. It looks something like that. So the data is not so clean. So it's now you can see data set is uploaded. I can now ask the question based on the data set. First, let me show you what all options are there. We have user ID, we have customer name, we have product ID, we have gender, we have age group, age, marital status, state, zone, occupation, product, order, amount, and some more columns are there. So first of all, I will go and check with this, clean this data set, remove the columns and rows where data doesn't. That is very first thing. Okay. After that, the very first prompt. The next thing is I want you to analyze the sale state wise and create a chart so that I can understand what is the sale and I can take the further decision. Okay, that's it. Data has been uploaded to it. Now it is analyzing. All right, so it has cleaned the data set that it said that it has removed a row where all values were empty. It has removed the column where all values were empty, which was unnamed and something. And in state or sale amount was missing some record. So it has removed that too. And you can check the clean data set and also the sale state wise. If I make it bigger for you, everyone, please see that. It has started the best sale is in Uttar Pradesh, then Maharashtra, then Karnataka, Delhi, etc. Okay, that is something ChatGPT. I have actually performed this and I have checked that is right. That is something correct. It has calculated the correct one. Right. This is total sale. It has calculated in the table and it is giving us the chart as well. Okay, I'm not very satisfied because the key insight is here is strongest market and contribute the highest sale. And after that, we have the Maharashtra and Kolkata also. As it is an Indian data set, so it is names of Indian states. Some top four states are there, uh, which it is noticing drop after the top four states and suggesting data, suggesting that few states generate a significant portion of the revenue. Also, it is analyzing the entire business and recommending like what you should do. Okay, now it is giving me the option state wise, you want monthly wise, gender wise, because it has taken the entire columns. So if I say that I want chart and tables of the sale by age wise, age group wise, gender wise, product wise, occupation wise. So I'll give more clear idea, right? So it's saying done. Yes, it is created. It has analyzed these files, age-wise cell, age group-wise cell, gender-wise cell, product category-wise cell, occupation-wise cell, and you can download the table. It has created the chart. It can create the professional dashboard. So these charts are slowly coming. Okay, this is possible. Age group wise, 26 to 35 age group. Gender wise, female one. Product wise, food and clothing is something which has been purchased more. Then occupation, IT sector and healthcare. So it's saying that I also can create a professional dashboard if you want, like map, bar, chart. You want it in more precise way. It is going to give you even the KPI cards and all that, right? So yes, this is how you can work with the data analytics feature of ChatGPT, and you can analyze your data, you can plan your business, and you can take the decision for further based on these predictions. That's it for this one. And in next video, I'm going to talk about some more features, like I have said, the deep learning and deep search, also about the student mode, that is the study mode, learn mode, I should say. And there are some more features which have been newly introduced, and they are very useful, that I'm going to discuss. That's it for now. Thank you so much. Stay connected.